Yo, what's up, guys? Today I'm going to be playing as Michael Myers, but this is going to be a no commentary video because I need to lock in, and so there will be no commentary. I won't talk at all, and that's because I need to stalk the survivors. And if I'm talking, I can't actually be sneaky, so I need to be quiet so I can stalk them. Because if I can sneak up on them, they're actually going to die. I think I'm going to try to get this guy right here. I'm probably gonna stalk him even more. So I stalked him and I'm gonna try to get him now. I think I'm gonna activate my power and I'm gonna try to mind game him here. So I'm gonna try to mind game him. So he actually is gonna end up over here because I'm mind gaming him. So I'm gonna charge up my knife just in case he comes over. So I don't need to worry about that gen because I'm about to mind game this guy and he's gonna come over to me. So where'd he go? I got good perks, so I think I'll be able to know where he is. Oh, yeah, see? That perk let me know where he is. Alright, I just got some distance on him. Now look at that. Perfect. Alright, guys, I need to restock because I almost got him, but I think he, like, mind gamed me or something. But I need to be a little bit more quieter so I can actually lock in because, like I said, you see how, like, fast he's getting when I'm talking? That's because I'm not being quiet enough, and I need to be more quiet. I think he went down here. Where'd he go? I didn't even see this guy. Did he even come down here? I think he was, like, faking coming down here. Oh, I think my perk just went off, so I think I know where he is now. Yeah, he's definitely on this gen right now. See, I can get this stock up, and these guys are going to actually become really bad, and I'm going to kill them. And they don't even know what they're in for. Watch this. This guy doesn't even know. I'm going to try to mind game him. Oh, shoot, he ran away. Okay. Look at that mind game right there. I knew he was gonna drop that window, so that means I can run over to him. Watch this. Alright, so he did kind of get me there, but look at that mind game right now. Oh, I thought he was gonna drop that window. Shoot. Alright, well this guy's too hard to go for, so I think I'm gonna go over here, because... Alright, well I need to damage this generator anyways. Alright, this guy's actually gonna die here. Yes, okay guys, I got my first knock. After this, they're not even gonna be able to get him. Wait, what? I thought I was using Lightborn. It's whatever, I'm still gonna slug him. And this whole time, I'm in stalking mode, so they don't know where I am. So, they can't really see me. Oh, I try to go for some lunge there. Alright. I'm about to get this guy because he's already injured. I'm about to get him. Alright. So I think I'm going to slug here since I got most of them pretty low. And I can probably stalk even more here. So yeah. And I'm just going to like use this window to my advantage. And I'm probably just going to try to kill this guy. I don't really know what he's doing. He's kind of brain dead. He doesn't even know who he's going against. Where'd he go? Alright, I need to actually slug this guy because he did actually revive himself. So... Alright, this is actually going to be really good for me because I can actually kill all of them now. And just like that, guys, that is how you play Michael Myers. As you see, I just killed all of them. And so, yeah.